Hi guys, welcome to my today's video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make Ghana banana cornrow. Here I'm doing half cornrow and half boss braid. So you can see the color that I use here. Here I use color 1, outre color 1 and color 51. So the 51, what I do is I shared it into two, then I use half of it to mix the black one, which is color 1, then get pink color. Pink color mixed with small of that 51 color, which I use at the tips. So the one I use for the boss braid, I cut it into 3, while the one I use for the corn rolling, I cut it into 4 parts. And the one I use at the tips, which is the pink mixed with the color 51 mixed together, I cut that one into 8. You can see I have finished boss braiding already, the back side already. So here you can see how I'm doing it step by step. Here I have already separated the hair, how I will be taking it, because there's no one there to be giving me the hair, which is the extension hair. I have separated the extension hair already on a chair. It's not that easy. It's very hard. True. To tell you the truth, when looking at it, it seems very easy, but it's not all that easy. You must be ready to endure the pain, because doing it yourself is not easy. I mean, your hand to receive the pain, your hand you receive a lot of pain on your hands when doing it. You can see what I do here. When braiding, at the end, when I want to add it to get the weight that I want, what I will do is I now do it feeding braid. It's not easy, oh. It's not at all. When doing this by yourself, you must be a very strong person. It's not easy, but you have to try. I know you'll be wondering why I didn't show you when I was braiding at the back. But don't worry. Very soon I'm going to show you a video on how I was braid. That is it, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. Don't just subscribe and click the notification icon so that I can get my video anytime I upload a video. I tell you, you will never regret subscribing to my channel. It's not easy. I go through a lot of pains doing this myself. You can see how I'm doing it. Make sure that the cornrow is very tight when you are doing it. So now I have started with the pink mixed with the gray, which is 51 at the tips. You can see how I'm adding it. You see how I'm adding it. I just take it very little. Just take a very little of it to add to the tip. When adding additives, make sure that the one you are going to add is not bigger than where you are adding it. Just try to make it to be equal, to look moderate, like to look very real. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. Don't just subscribe and click the notification icon so that I can get my video anytime I upload a video. You can see how it is. So this is how I'm going to do all till I finish it. Here I have finished adding the tips. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to trim it with a scissors. After trimming, because I wanted the tips to have a curly looking, so you'll be needing this rubber band, this small black rubber band. You watch well what I'm doing here. So I now put it in hot water. You can see how the hair look like. This is the final look of the hair.